Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video, let's see how to solve the 13th question in exercise 9.1. As observed from the top of a 75-meter high lighthouse from the sea level, the angles of depression of two ships are 30 and 45 degrees. If one ship is exactly behind the other on the same side of the lighthouse, find the distance between the two ships. So now let's draw this situation as a diagram. They have given you that from a 75-meter tall lighthouse. So I'm drawing this as a lighthouse. Now let's mark the level of the sea for this. So there are going to be two ships. So I'm marking here one, and there is another ship here. I'm going to mark this as here. Now the angles of depression of these two ships are 30 degrees and 45 degrees. Since it's a depression, let's mark a small slipping line like this to mark the depression. So in the first case, this is going to be equal to 30 degree, the first ship's. The second ship's 30 degree depression is 45 degrees. So now if you mark them correspondingly here, this is 45 degrees and this is 30 degrees. Now let's mark the vertices. So this is A, B, C, and D. I'm going to mark this as 75 meters. So the height of the lighthouse is 75 meters. BC I'm marking as X and CD I'm marking as Y. So let's take up the two triangles. In triangle ABC, tan 45 degrees is equal to AB by BC. So tan 45 is 1. So AB is marked as 75. BC is X. So this means X is equal to 75. We're going to use this later. So let's keep it aside. Now let's take up the next triangle. In triangle ABD, tan 30 degree is going to be equal to AB divided by BD. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, AB is 75 and BD is X plus Y. So this tells us X plus Y is equal to 75 root 3. Now we already know the value of X to be 75. So 75 plus Y is 75 root 3, or Y is going to be equal to 75 root 3 minus 75. I'm going to take the 75 common. So this is Y is 75 into root 3 minus 1. Root 3 value is 1.73 minus 1 is just 0.73. So Y is 75 into 0.73, which is approximately 54.75 meters. So the distance between these two ships, that's what they asked us, is going to be equal to 54.75 meters. In the next video, we will see how to solve the 14th question in this exercise. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.